how to enable or disable speak keyboard input allowed phonetic alphabet on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and click on swipe touch and feedback. So after click on swipe touch and feedback, so click on speak keyboard input allowed. So after click on this option, scroll down to end, you will see phonetic alphabet is here. So if you want to enable phonetic alphabet, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see phonetic alphabet is enabled. So if you want to disable phonetic alphabet, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see phonetic alphabet is disabled. So you will enable or disable phonetic alphabet from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable speak keyboard input allowed phonetic alphabet on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like that video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.